What's up guys, it's me again. In this video I'm gonna show you how to search videos on Facebook. It is so simple and so quick process. Firstly, join up into your application, go tap on the search box to get up here on this typing section, go type for, I don't know, for example, Cristiano Ronaldo. Then as you can see, you have many buttons right there. You have videos, posts, people, group, events. If you scroll on your right side, you have photos, page, you have marketplace or place. Now when you get back on your left side, you're gonna find out the second selection, which is videos. Click on videos, and here guys, with this you're gonna get up so simply the search videos on your Facebook. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. Have a nice day and see you soon.